Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming access to the deep docks area. This matters because spawns are region locked. Once there, make sure you carry a scanner and a steady light source, since fragments hide in shadowed alcoves. Start the mission with room in your inventory and a ranged tool to clear obstacles. This speeds the search. Move to the mapped spawn grid and sweep methodically, because systematic coverage increases your odds dramatically. Don't rush corners. Once in the deep docks, focus on likely hiding spots, under crates, on catwalk ledges, and behind machinery. You should ping your scanner routinely, about every 15 to 20 seconds, so small loot blips appear before you pass them. Make sure to clear aggressive enemies first, because combat distracts and displaces items. Then perform a grid-style sweep. Move in straight lines, check vertical shafts, and mark checked zones. This approach reduces missed fragments and saves time overall. You pick up the fragment by approaching and activating the pickup prompt. Verify it in your inventory immediately, because grab glitches occasionally occur. If you don't find it, first reload or re-enter the immediate area. Spawns can fail client-side. Next, check the known alternate spawn points. Sometimes fragments appear in different alcoves. If that still fails, abandon and restart the mission so spawn tables reset. One key tip: clear cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.